Welcome students. In last session, we have discussed how to insert ordered list in HTML5 web page. Today we shall discuss how to insert unordered list in HTML5 web page. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. When sequence numbers are not important, we use unordered list. Means when you don't want to put the number such as 1, 2, 3 or alphabets A, B, C, D like that. At that time we will prefer unordered list. List with bullets or other symbols are known as unordered list. Means when there are no numbers, there are bulleted symbol or dot or circle or square or any other symbol. These lists are known as unordered list. To include unordered list in HTML5 web page, we use UL tag and ending tag /UL. Same as ordered list. In ordered list, we use OL tag. OL stands for ordered list. Here in unordered list, we shall use UL tag. UL stands for unordered list. UL tag and ending tag /UL. Then to specify each list item, li tag is used in nested with ul tag. Same as ol tag. In ol we were using li. Here also in ul tag, that is unordered list. Again we shall use same tag, that is li tag, to specify each list item. Suppose there are 3 list items, then li tag will repeat for 3 times. Here style properties of UL tag. For OL tag, we have discussed attributes of OL tag. But in HTML5, there are no attributes for UL tag. UL tag is not supported by any attribute or there is no applicable attribute for the UL tag in HTML5. There were type attribute and there was type attribute for the UL tag in older version, that is, but now in HTML5 version there is no attribute applicable to the UL tag. So here we shall use style properties of UL tag. In CSS we shall discuss that CSS properties. So here we shall use inline CSS example. So here at this point you just need to remember that we are using style properties of UL tag. So list dash style dash type. This is the style property of UL tag, and by changing its value, we can specify which unordered list type we want to display. That means which symbol you want to use for unordered list. There can be 3 possible symbols. They are say disk, circle and square. And if you don't want to display any symbol, then you can use none value of list dash style dash type property. This is only one property that you need to remember for unordered list. Now let's take one example so that this thing will be very clear to you. Question can be asked, write HTML program to display following list. In output we are expecting courses available BA, BCom, BSc. Here you can see at the left side there are bullet symbol that are dots are displayed to display each and every list item. I have already written code for you. Here you can see the source code. First I will show you the output. In output we have got output like BA, BCom, BSc. Now we shall go to the source code. As you know, every HTML5 source code will start with doc type HTML. Then HTML tag is there, head, title, we have given title, my web page, close title, then close head, body, we have applied background color yellow. Then in H1 heading, I wanted to display courses available. So H1 courses available, close H1. Okay. Now actual UL tag. Okay, unordered list code will start over here. To include the unordered list, I have used here UL tag. Then first list item BA close LI. Second list item BCom, so LI BCom close LI. Then third list item LI BSc close LI. Then unordered list close. Then close body close HTML. Now you can run this code and you can see the output. Now suppose I want to display one more list item. Then go to your source code. Then after third list item, that is BSc, type there LI. Then here I want to display say BMS, whatever course name you want to insert, that you may type. Then close LI. Now run this program, and in output you can see one more course added or one more list item added to the unordered list. Now if you want to change the bullet symbol, so instead of this symbol you want to display their circle, then what will you do? You will use the style property of unordered list. So here you will use inline CSS. So here you will use style is equal to, then you need to put that property in double quote, that is list dash style dash type colon. Okay, here instead of equal to sign you need to put here colon. So style is you can say attribute, then list dash style dash type is property. Now here you will put value of the property, that is circle. You want to display their circle symbol. So I have written code ul style is equal to list dash style dash type colon circle. So it will display circle symbol. Here you can see in output it has displayed circle symbol. Now instead of circle, if I want to display their square, then what will you do? Just go to your source code, then you will use same property list dash style dash circle, list dash style dash type colon, instead of circle write there square. When you will write square, now run this code. In output you can see at the left side of the list or to the list item it will display the square symbol. Again move back. If you don't want to display any of this symbol, then what will you do? You will use none value to the list dash style dash type property, and its value will be none. Run this program here. Now here you can see there is no symbol displayed to the unordered list. Again move back. If you want to display their disk symbol, then you may write here disk. Now run this program, and here you can see disk symbol, or also known as bullet. So like this you can design unordered list, or you can insert unordered list in HTML5 web page. I hope you would have understood this, how to insert unordered list in HTML5 web page. Thank you.